Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check your browsing history in Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser launches and you can see your main browsing window, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a menu icon there represented by three horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on this icon to reveal a drop-down list of options. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll need to hover your mouse over the option labeled History. When you do this, a submenu will expand to the side showing you additional history-related options. This submenu is where you'll find the specific controls for accessing your complete browsing history. In that submenu, look for and click on Open History Page. This action will open a new tab or window that displays your full browsing history. This page is dedicated entirely to showing you all the websites you visited recently, organized in chronological order with the most recent visits appearing at the top. Once the history page opens, you'll see a list of all your browsing activity. Each entry includes the website name, the URL you visited, and the time and date of your visit. You can scroll through this list to see your complete browsing history and review any sites you've accessed through Brave browser. Now, if you're looking for a specific website or URL in your history, you'll find a search box at the top of the history page. Simply type the website name or URL directly into this search box, and Brave will instantly filter your history to show only the entries that match what you're searching for. This search feature is incredibly useful when you need to find a particular site you visited but can't remember exactly when you accessed it. And that's it. You've now learned how to check your browsing history in Brave browser and search through it to find specific entries. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.